Why do houses make strange noises? Imagine hearing a mysterious creak or a sudden bang in the middle of the night and wondering what caused it. Houses are full of sounds that can seem spooky but are often perfectly normal. Let's explore why your home might be making these strange noises and what they really mean. One common reason for odd sounds is how materials inside your house react to temperature and humidity changes. When it gets warmer or cooler, wood, metal, and drywall expand or shrink. This movement can cause creaks, pops, or groans, especially in wooden floors or walls. For example, wooden floorboards might squeak when they expand in the summer or contract in the winter. These noises are harmless and happen naturally as materials adjust to their environment. Another reason is the house settling over time. As the house sits on the ground, the soil underneath shifts slightly. This causes the foundation and framing to shift too, creating popping or cracking sounds. Usually this is normal, but if you notice doors or windows sticking or large cracks appearing, it might be a good idea to get a professional to check the foundation. Plumbing is a big source of strange noises. Pipes can bang or rattle when water flow suddenly stops or starts, which is called water hammer. Trapped air or sediment buildup in pipes can also cause rattling or knocking sounds. If you hear pipes vibrating or banging, it might mean water pressure is too high or there's a problem with the plumbing system. Adjusting the water pressure or calling a plumber can fix these issues. Heating systems like radiators or boilers can also make noises. When a radiator valve is partially closed or a circulation pump isn't working properly, you might hear knocking or banging sounds. Regular maintenance can help prevent these noises from becoming bigger problems. Wind and drafts can cause rattling or whistling sounds. When strong winds blow, loose window frames, tiles, or flashing can vibrate or rattle. Sealing gaps around windows and doors can stop these sounds and make your home quieter. Animals and insects inside walls or attics are another source of strange noises. Mice, squirrels, or birds sometimes find their way into homes and cause scratching, buzzing, or scuttling sounds. If you hear these noises and suspect pests, inspecting your home for entry points and calling pest control can help eliminate the problem. Understanding these common causes helps turn mysterious house noises into simple explanations. Many sounds are just your house reacting to the environment or its systems. Taking a few steps like sealing gaps, maintaining plumbing, and checking for pests can reduce or eliminate these noises. Remember, most of the time, strange sounds are just part of a house's natural behavior and nothing to worry about.